Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add affiliate links to a Pinterest pin. First, make sure you are logged in to the Pinterest desktop website. Once you're there, look at the top left-hand corner and click on Create. Before proceeding, ensure that you have already created and saved the Pinterest pin image you want to upload. On the Create Pin page, you will see an area labeled Drag and Drop or Click to Upload. Click on it and it will open a file browser on your device. Locate your pre-saved pin image and select it. Once selected, it will upload and appear on the screen. Next, fill out the details for your pin. Start by giving it a title that clearly describes what the pin is about. Then, write a brief description. This should include any relevant keywords to make your pin more discoverable. Now look for the field labeled Add a Link. This is where you will paste your affiliate link. The affiliate link can come from networks like ClickBank, Digistore24, Amazon, or any other affiliate platform. Sometimes Pinterest may restrict direct linking of certain affiliate links. If you encounter this issue, you can use a link shortening service, Short URL. Go to the website and look for the option to shorten your link. Enter your affiliate link into the field provided. Make sure to include the full link starting with https://. After entering the link, click the Shorten button. It will generate a shorter version of your affiliate link. Once you have the shortened link, copy it to your clipboard by clicking the Copy button. Return to the Pinterest Create Pin page and paste the shortened link into the destination link field. You will see your link appear in the field. After entering the link, review your pin's details. Next, choose the board where you want to save your pin. You can select an existing board or create a new one. Once you've selected the board, click the Publish button. After saving, a confirmation message will appear indicating that your pin has been saved successfully. Your pin, along with the affiliate link, is now live on Pinterest and ready to be shared with your audience. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing much faster than most people, click the link in the description to watch a free video explaining how it works. It's the fastest way for even complete beginners to start making a full-time income online. That's it. Thank you for watching.